Alright, who likes to wade in the muck? I'm gonna keep recording this as I walk to the car, and I'm going to try and reach the car without being splashed. And that means I might have to cross the road 3 to 4 times. Oh dear. Oh crap. Wherever you go, you're screwed, huh? And it just rained for about 5 minutes. It looks like I might need to go home, wash my feet, maybe change my shorts as well, because this is an absolute disaster. Now how in the... Okay, let me quickly walk before this car splashes me. Oh, bloody hell. And I have to walk to the end of the road, so I don't think that this little shorts video is going to survive until the end of the road. Yep, and my shoes are wet. Wet. What a bloody pain in the neck, huh? So I think I might need to go down in Crocs. Next time I think I'm going to wear Crocs and come to the market. How many of you want to walk in this weather?